Welcome back everyone. In this video, I will show you how you can solve the couldn't sign you in problem that Google shows you more often. So for that, we are going to follow two simple steps that I have already written down for your convenience. To start with our first step, we will have to delete our browsing data. So for that, we are going to our Chrome browser, and in the top right corner, there is an option 3 dot. If I click on it, I will go at the bottom and there is another option called settings. Let's click on settings. Then at the left panel, you would see privacy and security. Let's click on privacy and security, and under the privacy and security section, there is delete browsing data. Let's go to delete browsing data. Now from here, you would see the all time option, and under this section you would see different types of options. You have to make sure that you click on each and every box, you check mark each and every box. Now simply click on delete data, and after some time your data will be successfully deleted. That's step 1. Now moving on to step number 2, that is we have to run two commands in the command prompt, right? So for that, we are simply going to our search bar and write cmd, and you have to make sure that you run cmd as administrator. So if you run cmd as administrator, it would ask for your administrative permission. Just click on yes. Okay, and now we are on our command prompt, right? So in here, our first command was ipconfig /flushdns. So I'm simply going to type it, and hit enter. Okay, so you can see that successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache, right? So moving on to our second command, that is netsh winsock reset. So I'm just going to type it, and you can see that successfully reset the Winsock catalog. And that's it. It's just saying that you must restart your computer in order to complete the reset. So all you need to do is just now restart your computer, and that's it. Your problem's solved. So thanks for watching. I would see you in the next one. Thank you.